डियर्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। फॉर ऑल लर्निंग नेवर एंड्स। सीखना कभी ख़त्म नहीं होता, तो हम सब मिलकर सीखेंगे लर्न विद रो यूट्यूब चैनल पर। दिस इज एपिसोड नंबर 7 of subject education and our today topic is comparative education. Comparative education is the comparative study of educational theories and practice in various countries. Comparative education is a discipline in the social sciences which entails the scrutiny and evaluation of different educational systems such as those in various countries. The Comparative and International Education Society was founded in 1956. In the history of comparative education, Mark Anthony Julian is commonly referred to as the father of comparative education. Comparative education helps students to acquire better understanding of education system of other countries and borrow some aspects for better improvement of education at home. Functionalist approach to education introduced by Emile Durkheim. Manifest functions are those functions which we can see and we accept the education formally. Later function is how schooling system actually gave them certain kind of values. In comparison across countries, we see how things are different and similar across Pakistan, India and Bangladesh, UK or US. Whenever there is a higher rate of primary education, there higher is the economic development of growth of that country. Primary education has 25% rate of return as compared to higher education, which is only 12% rate of return for a country's economy. According to North and Pakistan, there are 5 stages through which the development of comparative education took place. Equity means basically people are different to each other. They come from different kinds of backgrounds. Limitations are different in the context of male and female. Concept of equity is more helpful in education than the concept of equality. The Comparative Education Society in Europe was founded in 1961. The World Council of Comparative Education Society was created in 1970 to advance the field of comparative education. Within education, UNESCO is paying attention to the quality of education. Quality of education defines as education that can lead people towards lifelong learning. The Millennium Development Goals and the Campaign for Education for All are global education policies. National policy makers mean your government, which take interest in comparative education because they need to see which model works and which policies should implement in their countries. The development process of comparative education can be divided into 3 stages. Evans has elaborated the scope of comparative education into 5 perspectives. The historical or spatial scope deals with the study of historical development of the discipline from the earliest phase known as the period of traveller tales to the modern phase known as the period of social science perspective. Thematic scope focuses on free primary and secondary education, universal primary education, education for all, and universal higher education. A Greek philosopher Plato compared the aims and structure of Spartan and Greek system. In 1949, Nicholas Hans published his book entitled Comparative Education, a Study of Educational Factors and Traditions. The New Era in Education, a comparative study, is written by Isaac Kendall in 1954. The International Bureau of Education was established in Geneva in 1925. Major comparative tests of achievement have, however, been carried out over the last 25 years by the International Association for the Evaluation of Educational Achievement. The problems of introducing curriculum reforms can best be analyzed through comparative education research. In order to determine the factor system of education, secondary education is universally recognized as fundamental stage. The term primary school is derived from the French école primaire, which was first used in 1802. In the USA, the 5 years of primary education is commonly referred to as kindergarten and begins at or around age 5. A Bologna process aims to create the European higher education era by harmonizing academic degree standards and quality assurance standards throughout Europe. To teach in UK, one has to gain qualified teacher status. At the time of independence, Pakistan's 90% of population was illiterate. The philosophical foundation of the Allama Iqbal Open University lies in its openness. International Council of Correspondence Education has changed its name to the International Council for Distance Education in 1982. NCHD has launched a community learning center in Islamabad. Critical and feminist theory is commonly used in comparative analysis. Comparative education is essentially interdisciplinary. Gender parity and equality in international goals, in Millennium Development Goals, education for all, or UNESCO deliberation, there has been a lot of emphasis on gender equality. Sustainable Development Goals signed in 15 September 2015 as deadline 2030. In 2012, right to education became part of constitution in Pakistan. In the framework of rights approach, there are threefold dimensions. According to dictionary, a professor at Cambridge University, nice girls are middle class. In Sri Lanka, the education structure is divided into five parts. Herodotus, in his commentaries on the Persian War, attempted a comparison of culture. Ibn Khaldun made comparison between Eastern Muslim culture and West. The term massive open online courses was first time introduced by David Carnier in Islamabad Open University. Duration of MPhil in distance, non-formal and continuing education is 5 years.
Stay connected with Learn with Rauf, and for useful learning, subscribe Learn with Rauf. Thanks to all, be happy and stay blessed.